Hello everyone, myself Narayan Pawar, HOD of Electrical Department at Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar. Department Electrical Engineering, Subject Electrical Substation Practices, Subject Code 22633, Semester 6. Today we have to study the different types of the equipment which is used in power station of 132 kV substation. So first we have to see the power transformer. In such substation, that is 132 kV by 11, 132 kV by 33 kV, 33 kV by 22 kV, 22 kV by 11 kV substation. So here 132 are converted into the 33 with the help of the step down transformer. Then 33 kV convert into the 22 kV with the help of step down transformer, and 22 kV convert into 11 kV with the help of step down transformer. The capacity of the transformer is the higher. Transformer is the main parts or the main link in the power systems. Transformer is the device which transfer electric power from one circuit to another circuit without changing frequency. Okay, and each and every transformer have the winding as the primary winding and secondary winding, as supply feed to the first as the primary winding. Then here by mutual induction EMF induced in the one winding, then EMF induced with the help of electromagnetic induction, and then this EMF induced feed to the secondary winding as the working principle of the transformer. And this is the main parts of the power systems which has made possible power generated at low voltage to be stepped down to the extra high voltage for the transmission over long distance, and then transform to the low voltage for utilization at proper load centers. This is the main purpose of the transformer. 132 kV substation receive the power of 3 phase 132 kV that is used for the tower support and tower support structure, as well as the different types of the equipment connected to the receiving power at the primary of the transformer. So different types of the device are connected near to the transformer, such as LA. LA is nothing but the lightning arrestor, then coupler capacitors, wave trap isolators, that is the isolator switch, then earth switch, isolator, current transformer, circuit breaker, isolator supporting unit, circuit breaker, current transformer, lightning arrestor to the main transformer. Okay, now we have to see the standard rating of the transformer. So first, as the rated output during the on and condition, that is required as near about 50 MVA, more or less, that is the rated output. Then duty, that is step down and outdoor purpose. This is the main duty of the power transformer, is for the step down purpose and outdoor service. Now, which types of the power transformer? The types of the transformer as the core type power transformer and double wounded 3-phase transformer. This is the types. Now, rated voltage at no load for the power transformer, HP and LV, that is the high voltage and low voltage. High voltage is near about 132 kV and LV voltage as 33, 22, 11 kV. So this is the rating capacity of power transformer. So maximum high voltage is 132 kV and lower voltage as 33, 22 or 11 kV. So this is the rating capacity of power transformer. Now next is system's frequency. How many frequency is required? The frequency range as 50 Hz. Then interface connection. HV are connected for the delta, LV are connected to the delta of power transformer. This is the interface connection of the power transformer. Now types of the cooling. For the on and is used for the types of the cooling purpose of the power transformer. Now temperature range of the power transformer. So first as the 45 degrees Celsius in the top oil by the thermometers and 50 degrees Celsius in winding by the resistance. So this is the temperature range of the power transformer, and the duty means step down purpose and outdoor service, core and double wounded 3-phase transformer, that is the types, and rating capacity as 132 kV for the high voltage and 33, 22, 11 kV are the rating capacity for low voltage side. Then system frequency as the 50 Hz, interface connection, that is for the delta and LV, types of the cooling on and temperature as 45 degrees Celsius in top oil by thermometers and 50 degrees Celsius in winding by resistance. So this is the main features of the power transformer as the standard rating of the power transformer. Next device which is used in 132 kV substation, the name of that is lightning arrestor. The standard chapter in the first as the pre-requesting for all such equipment are used in each and every substation. So we have to repeat the process of that devices or the equipments. So lightning arrestor, the rating of the lightning arrestor in such high power, high voltage where the transformer capacity is near about 50 MVA and outgoing line are 22 kV or 11 kV. For 132 kV, we have to see the rating capacity of the lightning arrestor. Lightning arrestor ratings first as the voltage rating is the 120 kilovolt and current rating as the 10 kiloamperes and maximum continuous operating voltage as 120 kilovolt. Then discharge classes, load discharge, it may be the 3, and pressure relief current is near about 40 kiloamperes and frequency 50 Hz of the frequency. This is the rating capacity of 132 kV lightning arrestor with the different types of the ratings. Next, 422 kV substation, the normal systems voltage and maximum continuous operating voltage, rated voltage, maximum operating voltage and frequency. So for 32 kV substation, it may be required as the normal system voltage as 22 kilovolt and maximum continuous operating voltage as 24 kilovolt with RMS value and rated voltage as 11 kV RMS, maximum operating voltage as 15 kV and frequency as 50 Hz of frequency. So this is the lightning arrestor device which is used in the power systems. Lightning arrestor are the device which used for the high voltage protection, as one terminal are connected to the overhead line and another terminal of lightning arrestor are connected to the earth. As the direct lightning stroke fall on the transmission line, then that lightning surge or the high voltage diverges towards the earth with the help of lightning arrestor, and hence it is used to provide the protection from high voltage in the power systems. Next, isolator. Isolator is nothing but the disconnector of the power systems which disconnect the parts of the power system under no load condition are known as the isolator. Isolator is the device which isolate or disconnect the parts of the power systems under no load condition. Now we have to see the rating capacity of the isolator. So isolator is used in kilovolts. The types is that the double break kilovolts as 132 kilovolts as the rating capacity. Then current rating near about 1250 amperes, that is the current ratings. Then impulse near about 650 kV and short time current rating for the 1 second is near about 40 kV RMS. So this is the rating capacity of the isolator. Next we have to do the current transformer. that is known as the CT, which is used for 22 kV substation. So we have to see the different types of the devices with the rating capacity. So first isolator, after that we have to see the current transformer. Here the current transformer rating capacity with their features. So first we have to see the higher system voltage. Highest system voltage is near about 66 kilovolt for the CT of 22 kV, and normal system voltage is near about 33 kV. Then insulation level for the 70 by 110 kilovolt, and minimum total creeping as 900 mm or 25 mm per kilowatts. Then rated primary current near about in between 400 to 200 amperes. Then short time current rating for the kilowatt is near about 26.2, and rated dynamic current 65.5, frequency 50 Hz, and oil in the liters as 30 liters oil may be the required for the current transformer. So this is the different types of the rating depends on the features of the equipments which is used in 132 kV substation. Thank you students.